Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I'll explain how to create and how to test for double precision vectors in the R programming language. In the video I'm going to show you several examples, and all of these examples are based on the numeric vector that we can create with line 2 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new vector object appears, which is called x. And we can also have a look at this vector object by running line 3 of the code, and then you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our example vector simply consists of a numeric range from 1 to 5. Now, if we want to convert this numeric vector to a double precision vector, then we can apply the as.double function, as you can see in line 5 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that a new data object appears at the top right of RStudio, which is called as.double. And we can also have a look at this object by running line 6 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that this object looks exactly the same as our numeric input vector. However, as I'll show you in the following, you will see that this data object is a double precision vector. In this video, I will not explain what the advantages and disadvantages are of double precision vectors, but if you are interested in that, I will put a link into the description, which is leading to a tutorial that explains the advantages and disadvantages of double precision vectors. However, if we want to check if our converted data object as.double is a double object, then we can apply the is.double function, as you can see in line 8 of the code. So in this line of code, we are first checking if our original input vector x is a double object. So if you run line 8 of the code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that the logical value false is returned. And this means that our original input data is not a double precision vector. However, if we apply the is.double function to our converted data object, as you can see in line 10 of the code, then you will see that the RStudio console returns the logical value true. So in other words, the data object as.double that we have created before is a double precision vector. As I have mentioned before, I will put a link to a tutorial which explains the advantages and disadvantages of double precision vectors into the description of this video. And furthermore, in the description of the video, you will also find a link to my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. Furthermore, if you have liked this video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.